After unrolling your boat onto a flat surface, slightly inflate the boat so that the floorboards are easier to install. When inflating, make sure that the one-way valve is in the up position as shown. The 12-6 and 14 SR both come with 4 floorboards as well as 3 aluminum supports. To install the floorboards, first insert the board marked FB1 into the bow of the boat as shown. Attach the long aluminum board onto the floorboard labeled FB2. To install, bolt to the underside of the floorboard using the rounded 1/4 inch screws as shown. Then attach the FB2 and the FB1 together as shown. The 2 short rectangular bars must be bolted into the 4 brass screw inserts on the top of the floorboard designated FB4. Simply bolt the rectangular bars onto the top of the FB4 using the knurled bolts provided. Next, take the FB4 and slide it under the transom lip as shown. Next, insert the FB3 so that it meshes with the FB4 at the stern of the boat and overlaps with the FB2. Lift the end of the FB2 and FB3 and connect the floorboards to form an inverted V as shown. Apply pressure on the joint to secure the boards into place. Before installing the 4 aluminum side stringers, first place an object such as one of the other stringers under the area hull as shown. Then attach the stringers to both sides of the floorboards as shown. The stringers are designed to fit very snugly, so you will face a bit of resistance when attaching them. If you purchase the optional bench with swivel seat, simply bolt the seat onto the bench via the pre-drilled holes as shown. To install the bench, feed the fabric beads on the pontoons through the nylon fittings under the seat as shown. Coating the fabric with water can make the benches easier to slide on. After installing the floorboards and benches, you are now ready to inflate the boat to its full pressure of 3.2 psi. Note that there is no danger of overinflation when using the foot pump provided, and that each of our electric pumps can be set to a specific calibration. To assemble the AB25-5 oars to your boat, first snap the oars together and then screw onto the oar lock using the blue plastic nut, as shown. To install the bow bag, simply attach to the boat's clips, as shown. The boat's drain valve should stay in the closed position at all times unless it is being motored. A bilge pump is another helpful accessory in the event of water accumulating due to rain. If you're installing the optional canopy accessory, first make sure that the single nylon strap on the canopy is pointed toward the front of the boat and that the 2 straps are pointed to the back. Place the aluminum panel on the outfit of the blue material, as shown. Then bolt the canopy onto each side. Tie the 2 rear straps to the back of the boat and then clip the front strap of the canopy to the rope lacing, as shown. Remember to tighten the canopy so that it is level and fits tightly. When trailering your boat, be sure to place a piece of material or cardboard between the metal ratchet and the boat to prevent wear on the hull. For towing, we suggest making a bridle using the rings provided as shown. Do not tow or trailer the boat using only the center ring. Be sure to check out SeaEagle.com for products that will increase the longevity of your boat, including 303 aerospace protectant and a boat cover. When disassembling your boat, first loosen the side stringers using your foot and then remove each of the floorboards as shown. Note that you should not remove the aluminum supports installed on the FB2 and FB4. A separate floorboard bag is a convenient accessory and can be purchased at SeaEagle.com. When your boat is deflated and disassembled, you can fold it back into its carry bag as shown.